Welcome back, traders. Before we get started, I want to be very clear about one thing right out of the gate. This is not a turn $500 into $50,000 video. This is not a get-rich-quick challenge, and this is definitely not about gambling or chasing trades. This is about discipline, patience, and proving that anyone with any account size can learn how to trade options the right way. If you are just starting with trading options or felt like your account size was holding your success back or have dabbled in options but can't figure out how to continuously win, this series is for you. Let me walk you through exactly what this challenge is, and just as importantly, what it is not. If you've been following Gen W for any amount of time, you know that I focus heavily on levels, structure, planning, and execution. What I see over and over again with newer traders is that they don't lose because they're unintelligent. They lose because they're undisciplined. They oversize, they chase, they revenge trade, and they trade too much too fast with no real plan. Small accounts get blamed, but in reality, small accounts expose bad habits. So I funded a second Robinhood account with $500 and decided to trade it publicly, not live, but transparently, to show what disciplined trading actually looks like when constraints are real. This challenge isn't just for you, it's also for me, because constraints don't limit good traders, they expose bad habits. Here's how this challenge works. The account starts with $500 and the platform is Robinhood because it's simple, accessible, and familiar to most beginners. I will not be trading live on camera. Instead, I'll continue to do my Sunday and Wednesday market update videos where I call out levels and stocks to watch. When those trades alert, I will trade them in the small account and create a short recap video posted that day to break down the setup, execution, and outcome. Then, once per month, I'll post a long-form update walking through where the account is, what's working, what's not, and how the strategy evolves as the account changes. This challenge will run for 3 months to start, and if it's adding value, staying aligned with the rules, and engagement is high, we'll extend it. This is a process challenge, not a performance contest. Now let's talk about the rules, because these are non-negotiable. Every trade has a hard stop loss at minus 20%. No debating it and no hoping it comes back. 1 to 2 trades maximum per day, and if I hit a stop loss, I am done trading for the day. That rule exists specifically to prevent revenge trading. There is no averaging down, no revenge trades, no zero DTE options, and no earnings week trades. These rules exist to protect small accounts and honestly to protect traders from themselves. If you can't follow rules with $500, you won't follow them with $50,000. Every trade in this challenge is based on pre-planned levels that I've already outlined in my weekly market updates. I'm targeting 1.5 to 3 to 1 risk to reward on every trade. If I lose on a ticker, I do not trade that same ticker again that day unless the setup is objectively A+, not emotionally A+. On winning trades, if I'm in multiple contracts, trimming is allowed, but runners must be held to target. No panic selling and no micromanaging just because the P&L is flashing green. Consistency beats excitement every single time. If you're trading along with these levels, here's how I recommend you approach it. Start with one contract only and do that until you've proven consistency for 3 to 6 weeks. If you feel nervous while you're in a trade, that's usually a sign that your size is too big or that you should be paper trading. There is nothing wrong with paper trading while you build confidence. Levels are not signals, and execution is your responsibility. You're not here to copy trades, you're here to learn how to think. And since I'm not trading live, no one can mirror trades anyway, which is intentional. Let's reset expectations before the comment section does. Success in this challenge is not account growth. Success is following rules, planning trades, cutting losers quickly, and holding winners to targets. If this account is flat for 2 or even 3 months, that's still a win because consistency comes before growth. We can analyze, adjust, and improve, but discipline always comes first. This challenge will be fully transparent over time. I won't show the account balance on every single short because that shifts the focus to dollars instead of decisions, but I will show it during monthly updates, major milestones, and quarterly reflections. Each quarter, I'll also skim profits from this account and donate them to charity, not for attention, but as a reminder that wealth has purpose beyond the account. So that's the 2026 Small Account Challenge. Real trades, real rules, and real discipline. You'll see trade recaps weekly, monthly deep dives on strategy evolution, and everything tied back to data, patience, and execution. If this aligns with how you want to trade, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss the recaps. Stay patient, stay disciplined. This is how real traders are built.